Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about the matrix, order of a matrix, and equal matrices. Okay, now we have a topic matrix. What is matrix? A rectangular array of a formation of a collection of real numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, such as 1, 3, 4, 7, 2, and 0. Then enclosed this by brackets, okay, this bracket, large brackets, and it's a form of a now it's a form of a matrix. Then another example of matrix 0 1 4 3. Okay, so the real numbers used in the formation of a matrix as entries or elements of a matrix. Okay, for example, 1 is a element of a matrix, this of this matrix, and 2 is the element of this matrix. So 0 is the element of this matrix, and usually we are denoted by these matrices, and we are denoted these matrices by capital letters. And so these matrices are denoted by the capital letters like A, B, C, D, E, F. For example, we can say A is equal to this matrix. Okay, this matrix is denoted by capital letter A. Okay, English alphabets. A is the English alphabets, and we denote this matrix by A. So we can say A 0 is the element of matrix A. 3 is the element or entries of the matrix A. Okay, so these are the examples of matrix. Got it? What is matrix? Now we have a topic, order of a matrix, and its definition is the number of rows and columns in a matrix specifies its order. If a matrix M has m rows and n columns, then M is said to be a order of m by n. For example, M is equal to 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2 is of order 2 by 3. This is the example of order for matrix. Okay, if we have the matrix M has m rows and n columns, means k rows and columns. So here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Then we will write like this, 2 by 3. Okay, 2 rows and by 3 columns. Okay, it is the definition of order of a matrix. Another example of order of a matrix is if we have a matrix A and the elements of matrix A is 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 7. So here there are 1, 2, 3 rows. It's mean n is equal to 3, and how many columns? 1, 2. There are 2 columns. It's mean m is equal to 2. So we can write like this, 3 by 2. The order of matrix A is of 3 by 2. Okay, the next topic is equal matrix. What is equal matrix? The definition is this: let A and B two matrices. The A is said to be equal to B and denoted by A is equal to B if and only if these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say A is equal to B. The first condition is this: the order of A is equal to the order of B. And the second condition is the corresponding elements are equal. So we can say A is equal to B. Now we are going to solve this example. Check is it equal matrices or not. So here we have two matrices. A is equal to 1, 3, minus 4 and 2, and B is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 minus 4, 4 minus 2. So here we have A. First we see here the rows and columns. There are two rows and two columns. It's mean it's order 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2. Now here we have matrix B. Matrix B 1 minus 4. We can solve it. 2 plus 1 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So here we have uh, two rows and two columns. The order of a matrix B is of 2 by 2. Okay, the first condition is satisfied, means K or the order of A is equal to the order of B. Now let me check the second condition, the corresponding elements are equal or not. See here, the first element of matrix A is 1 and the first element of matrix B is also 1. These are same. Now the next 3 3 minus 4 minus 4 2 2. It's mean the corresponding elements are equal. So the first condition and the second condition is satisfied. That's why we can say A is equal to B. Okay, got it? So this example is your homework. L is equal to 2 minus 1 4 3 and M is equal to 3 2 4 1 are not equal matrices. Okay, is this equal matrices or not equal matrices? So solve this example and share with me in comments. Hopefully you get all these points. So take care, Allah, please see you next time inshallah.